Now, let us see this problem. Find the probability of A and B if events A and B are independent. For example, take a card from a deck, then replace it, draw another card. In this case, from a pack of cards, find the probability that the first card is ace of clubs, that is called event A, and the second card is any club, that is called event B. Since there is only one ace of clubs, the probability for A, the event, that is for ace, is equal to favorable number of ways is equal to 1 divided by the total number of ways 52. So probability of A is equal to 1 by 52. Since there are 13 clubs, the probability of B is equal to 13 divided by 52, because 13 is the favorable number of ways for the event B to occur. So which is equal to 1 by 4. Since A and B are independent events, probability of A and B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, that is equal to 1 by 52 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 208. Thus, this problem is an example to deal with independent events. So, when you consider two events A and B as independent events, and this pack of cards is a very good example, thereby you can also apply this type of probability in many applied fields. Thank you.